Hey, this is Eli from Devoted Day Trader. Today I only traded one stock, Facebook. Let's get to it. So Facebook announced its quarterly earning yesterday and it did really well. It just blew the numbers out of the park. So unfortunately, I got chopped up on Facebook and I stopped trading. So on Facebook, what in the open the stock was up about 4%. So we had this red bar when I got in was a bottoming tail. This was a tail implying buying pressure. So I went long as soon as it broke the 200, but once it came back down and lost VWAP, I stopped out. And then I noticed that it was weak, so I went short with a stop at VWAP, and it popped up and I got stopped out. And then I'm like, okay, now it's a long. So I went long thinking third time the charm, and it did pop up, but I was going to let this one run. This third attempt was a trade to hold, meaning that I'm just gonna hold it for at least until lunchtime, see if it could get up to 200, but it popped up and it dropped and I stopped out. So those were the trades on Facebook. Got chopped up and I decided to stop trading because today is my birthday and I don't want to have a really bad day, so I just called it quits. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.